Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a man sway. It's just the basic version, none of the funky variations, though we will do some of those in videos coming up. Knowing how to do a standard sway would be helpful, but by no means it's useful to know it, but you don't have to know it. But I'll put a link to it in the description below in case you want to go back and check it out. It goes like this, it goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Easy as that. So we will break it down. Starts off right to right, usually starts from a return, and we're going to use the return to set up the hand grip. So we go back 1, we return the lady, and in doing so we set ourselves up so the guy's thumb down, palm to the right. So we send the lady back, guys are back in the same position. So from here we start lady walking forwards, guys move a lot of the distance towards the lady, turning to the left. We're bringing the lady's hand onto our right hip, we're going to offer the left, and we're going to take over the top of the lady's hand with a bit of luck. But if you do end up with palm down, the lady going palm up to meet you, which is not uncommon, that is going to work both ways. From here we're going to do our sway. So we're going to sway back on the guy's right, which will probably bring the lady back on her right as well, but if she goes back on the left, this is not a problem. We sway forwards. You can do a fast or slow exit as you could in a sway. We're just going to send the lady away with both hands and head out, turning to the right to face the lady. And you could do a sway now, it's a natural thing to occur, but we're actually going to do a reverse return direction spin, so reverse spin, whilst changing sides, and we're going to catch it the other side. So let's do that again from here. And we'll think numbers. So we go back 1, return 2, setting up the hand grip, moving away 3, wrapping side by side 4, sway for the guys and the ladies, 5, coming forwards 6, we're going to go away 7, prep 8, spin through 1 and catch 2. Though if you did the fast exit you'd get there a count earlier. Okay, so let's put it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a man, sway, we go a back, return, stepping away, wrap in, we go sway, sway, away, look, spin through and catch. I quite like the fast exit, which would do the fast exit as well, so you can see how that feels, and all you're going to do is get out of the sway a little bit quicker. Show you the other version. So it goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So instead of getting there by 2, we got there by 1. It was just a faster movement away, generates more stretch, gives you more energy into the spin check, well, return spin change places. Try out both, do the one you prefer. As always, you choose. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We really appreciate everyone who does that. Liking helps promote the video, subscribing promotes the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And notification bell means you get told every time a video comes out so you don't miss anything. And that's it. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, as always. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.